Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven temperature sensor in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out. Depress the tab to disconnect the oven sensor wire connector. Unthread the sensor mounting screw and pull out the old sensor. Install the new oven sensor by inserting it through the hole in the rear panel. Then replace the mounting screw to secure. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the lower rear access panel. Thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.